So I think that machinery there is trying to clear some blockage or something. Let's just zoom in. Yep. Just to make sure that flood waters flow through and that vehicles can pass. So that equipment is working on this side, working on this side of the bridge.